Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. Alright, so it's been a while for a Dollar Tree haul, but on, not on the shorts, alright? So I picked up this here wall decor. You can hang it from your wall, you can hang it from your desk. If you have like petitions, you can hang this. It's so cute. I like it. Okay, y'all, when I tell you this here peach strawberry by Welch's is delicious. I absolutely love it. I love this book. It says, "Be good to yourself." Okay, and it has like the embrace everyday challenge. Okay, I thought that was cute. Once you stop rushing through life, you'll be amazed at how much more life you have time for. Oh, I like that. This one right here. That's absolutely beautiful. The earth has this music. Take time to listen. I mean, just different quotes. Feed your soul. The edit is composed of nows. Oh man, this is beautiful. So if you see this in the Dollar Tree, pick it up. Absolutely beautiful. I also picked up the Say What card game. It's like an unscramble, babble. It's ages 6 and up and with 3 players. I got this here. Okay, got that. I also picked up this here noodle bowl set. I think this is just cheeky. Yeah, I got veneers and I'm trying to get used to them. So if you hear lips, that's what it's from. Okay, shiny veneers. So that's the company. I got these. This comes with these chopsticks. These chopsticks are cute. And it comes with a little soup spoon and the bowl. How cute is that? Just see, I love this bowl. And the new things that sit right in there when you're not using it. I think that is absolutely nice. How's everyone been? How's the weather? Are y'all ready for the fall? Okay? I am ready for the fall. Isn't he cute? Aww. He is adorable. Little squirrel with the acorn. He's so cute. Oh, he's so adorable. Like that. I like these mini chestnut butter. These things are so good. I hear that people make these, put these on their banana pudding. I have seen that people put these on their banana pudding as well. These are really good by Pepperidge Farm. And I picked up the pumpkin ginger ale. Oh, get you some of this. This smells amazing. Oh, it smells every bit of fall. Yes. The Luminous brand. It is 0.5 ounces. So yes. So you can get the name of it. It smells so good. And I also picked up Miss Spa Vitamin C Peel Off Mask. I am going to use this tonight. Spa results in 20 minutes. Yes, love that. And y'all, let me tell you something. These here Victor Allen's iced coffee latte. Let me know how you like it in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. And peppermint mocha. This is so delicious. I love this one. I've had it's another one that I like. I think it's the mocha. I haven't tried the caramel. I'm not into caramel, so I probably won't with that one. But this here peppermint mocha is so good. And what I do is that I mix some of my hazelnut delight creamer with it. Very good. Very, 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 very good. I also picked up these Boys Victory League size medium in these boxers. Okay, let's see how good they are. Oh Lord, I can't get in them, y'all. Sorry, moving out of this spoon. Let me know how y'all are liking the Dollar Tree shorts. I love doing them. If I can do one every morning before I leave for work. Oh, Jesus. These are the medium and the boys. Oh, I should have got a large. Oh, my God. These look like little baby. I don't know if my grandson can fit these. Oh, okay. Alrighty, these are the, but they feel good. They're nice. They're really nice. But yeah, I picked up those. And I picked up the Donut Cafe gourmet coffee, medium roast, classic blend. I picked up these as well. They say these are good. Let me know how y'all like these, okay? Medium roast, that's what I like. But I prefer decaf. So, these companies that are making these here things, think about making some decaf as well, okay? But yes, they say these are really good, but let me know how you like them if you've tried them, okay? Okay, I got that. And I'm getting ready to do my coffee bar, working on that and my table scale, so stay tuned for that. I don't know when, but it's coming. I started on it, but the thing is finishing it. Okay, this here I have in orange. Y'all, I love these. These are so cute. I got 3 of these. I only need 3 because when I do my coffee bar, I put 2 on my shelf and 1 on my coffee Keurig, okay? I don't need 4 because I'm not putting them on my table, okay? But I picked that up in the orange, but this is the one that I'm going to work with this year. These I will have next year. But this blue, oh my goodness, I love this. This is so nice. Absolutely love this. These are so beautiful. Because I wanted the ones that Target had last year. I was trying to get them. But I never could find them. So, yeah. And I got these Epsom salt tablets, y'all. You put these in your shower. You know, put them as the water is beaming down on the, hitting the tablets. You, yeah. You can use these in your shower. Or you can just put them in your pan, you know, your bucket when you're doing your feet, whatever. But, yeah, these are like the lavender scented. And, yeah, looking at the time. It's the top of the morning. Yep, so this here, like I said, these are the add to bath when you have tired or sore muscles. These are the ones that you put in your bath, but you can put them in your shower if you do like showers and stuff. Same thing. They're going to do the same thing, okay? All right. Y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen Court. I'm growing. You know, I'm growing, so those shorts really help. You know, people, if you're not doing the shorts, try them. Because I was reluctant with trying them too, but you can get paid for that as well. You know, it's a slow pay, but it's a pay. But, yeah, I enjoy the shorts. I thank you so much. Thank you to all my faithful returning family members. I appreciate y'all so, so much. And thank you to my new family members. Welcome to the Queen's Court. I want to say God loves you, and so do I. And there is nothing that you can do about it. Yes. Thank you so much to all that come and watch and spend time with me. Thank you. Thank you. And remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you all on the next video. Love you all. Take care now. Bye-bye.